Yeah. Hello. Boo. We're ghosts. Everyone is a ghost now. I'm a little bit sleepy today, but I'm really excited to peek Zenless Zone Zero again. Thing. Oh, I just made her sleep instead. Oops. Ghosty shenanigans, yeah. Yes. Indeed. 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 Let me click a button. Okay. We must get to the game. I kind of want to peek all of the videos on the loading screen because I'm curious. I haven't seen most of them. I don't know how many there are. And I want to know. Also, it is... I acquired sponsorship. Fun! Exciting! And I'm really excited. Void or game? Any guesses? An infinite amount? Oh, that would be concerning. We'd be on the loading screen forever. Probably game because of yesterday. That would be a pretty good guess, maybe. Oh. Look at that. That's a good guess too, I suppose. 3, 2, 1. Game it was. What was that? First, good job. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Was that an origami unicorn? Cute. Cayuta. What? That was cute. Wait, I gotta make sure that I can... That's not the button I was looking for. I gotta make sure that I can see the redeems. Because I can't see them on OBS. I feel like I used to be able to, but maybe I was never able to. Maybe it's because I always had the stream open on another screen. I don't know. Well, I gotta open the chat. Please, please. Function. Oh, there. I was too small. That's why. Redeems are indeed important. Top tier management and construction. Oh! Thank you for the head pats. Your trust will bring everyone's potatoes. I missed it. Is that the moon? Aliens. We should actually go in. Press to play. Pressing to play. I broke it. It's loading. I didn't break it. Small body, big crisis. That doesn't sound good at all. Oh, buddy, it's an airplane. Where are we going? Press to play again. Okay. That was creepy. If I click buttons, nothing happens. Okay. Sissy life. Elodie's so cute. Press the DM button in your... Wow, I missed it. Oh my gosh, the fish. Can I sit on these? No, it's fine. I didn't want to sit on them anyway. Can I knock these over? It wasn't me. I didn't kick those, okay? I can knock over the crates. I can knock over... I can't jump. I can't jump. Poke, 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 poke. Poke, 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 poke. No! What? Clip what? Nothing happened. Can I knock... Let's see if we can use the payphone. The old coin-operated payphone miraculously still works. An old Yellow Pages book lies on top. Oh my gosh, get out! Place a call from the Yellow Pages. Yeah! Who do we want to call? The pet store, the pizzeria, or the cafe? I kind of want to call the pet store. I'm gonna call the pet store. You think they have pets that we can acquire? Woof woof. Oh my gosh! The dog answer. Did the dog just answer the phone? Is your owner there? A saddening silence before the line cuts out. Now we have to go to the pet store. Right? I hope we can. To the parking lot. Oh, I didn't think that would work. I thought they would be all like, you can't go, you shouldn't go here right now. This is a different area. Wait. There's also a dog there. We're gonna talk to a dog. Are we going to a pet store? Where are we going? We must investigate more first. He's on a laptop. Mr. Panda. Oh my goodness. Hello. There are a bunch of colorful coins on Mr. Panda's table. What do you mean? Mostly Denny's and some colorfully painted Denny's. What are Denny's? Well, I see no coins. It lies to me. Closed. I see food in there. They have baguettes. Oh hi, hello. Is his new album out yet? Let's go watch it and check what. Where? Oh, look at her face. Is she supposed to be talking to someone? There's nobody there. She's talking to a ghost. More ghosts. Donut break in. Fine. Hello. Hello. She walked straight through me. Why does this guy look so sad? Do you think my boss will catch me slacking off? Nah, he isn't that smart. Is this a bench made out of skateboards? Or longboards? I'm the ghost? Concerning. Oh my gosh, I tried to step on poop. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, I didn't know that's what was happening. Oh, a doll. A once popular video game character. I once ordered the full set of figurines. Why haven't they sent it yet? Oh, you have a good point there. You have a good point. I ordered figurines and I never got them. Oh my gosh. Can I play it? Can I play it? I can't play it. I want to play it. Someone drew a scared cat. So cute. Can I go down there? I can't. Peek. Ooh. 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 What's this way? Can I? No. Metro station. They let me in. Ooh. Ooh. Next generation new pre-sale. Exit. People. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Take a picture of the metro. Gotta wait for the perfect shot when the train passes by. They're letting me go wherever I want. Construction site bang boo. Oh my gosh, the train's here. Did you take a picture? Squirrel I just passed by. They all have the same color hair as me. Oh my gosh, golly gee. Bongo cat acquired a new item and it just like just appeared. Flowers. Let's keep them. They're cute. Yeah, giant bear. Gray. Did you get the ticket from the payment desk? Got it. That's good to hear. Safety will complain if we forget the reimbursement voucher. Seems like an employee of Bellowbog Industries. Anyway, there's no room for us due to the extra... What? To the extra materials loaded on the truck. Oh, so they have to... But didn't Anton say we could grab a taxi back? If you want to find a ride that can fit me and your vehicle, I'm afraid we'll need a truck. I'm so thankful for the new Aridu Metro. It's such a great and reliable infrastructure. Oh, they have to take the metro because they can't both fit on the in a taxi. Staff only. Can I pretend to be staff? I am not staff. I cannot go in. I guess it's fine. What's that? They're flat. Give me snacks. What is this? Someone just left their lunch here. That's sad. They need to make more accessible vehicles for all sizes. Yes. Correct. People. Oh my gosh, she has horns. Hello. Are you sure this is the right station? I'm just eavesdropping on everyone. She has a tail too. Of course. I was using my navigator. The store is just 500 meters away from the exit. That sounds like a lot. Why aren't Ellen and Lynn here yet? I don't know. Didn't we agree to meet at the metro station? Seriously, I told them the new store on 12th Street is very busy, so we must be on time. I'm talking now. Why in the... I just butted into their conversation. Why am I talking? We're headed to 12th Street, but we're headed in the... What? We're headed in the opposite direction. 12th Street, I'm afraid that's more than 500 meters away. That's what she just said. Huh? Let me see. Ah, we really traveled in the opposite direction. The poor things. She's got a tail. Oh my gosh. Can I go this way? This is the elevator. I get sick on elevators. I shouldn't like elevators. I will go up a flight of stairs before I go up an elevator. Ooh, button. Pick a destination. Maybe. Maybe. What does random play mean? Everything is unknown. What? I can teleport to the newsstand? Is that where I was supposed to go for my quest? Wow, it's magic! I'm back where I'm supposed to be. Can I play this game? I wasn't done exploring. Godfinger! That's a name. That's a name. That's interesting. Pretty. A person! A cat! Can I... No! I can't talk to the cat. Okay. Why did you put eyes? We could steal their scooter. Okay. Person, I will escort you home. Oh, yes, I managed to find the walk. Walk was left control. I wonder if right control does it too. Nope, okay. Right control does squat. I'm walking too fast. Why does he go invisible when I walk beside him? They might get lost, you're right. But I don't know where he lives, so... No! Oh my gosh, he can go there and I can't. I can't walk him home. It's funny how I'm just walking in place, though. What if he gets lost? Oh, well. Looks like she's walking him home now instead. She walked through him. An alleyway. Not dangerous at all. A statue. Why are you in a box? Someone didn't want him. We should take him. We should take him. He can be our statue. Pile of random items. Okay. It's trash. No, there's no such thing as trash. Only misplaced treasures. That's a great phrase. I must remember to use it next time I want to cheer up friends. Okay. Oh, ooh, what? Why can I talk to... A sparkling glint gleams from out of the jet black trash can. The treasure! It did sound kind of mean, right? Like, be calling the friend trash and then being like, no, you're not trash. You're actually treasure. Open and take a look. Yes. A charcoal black stray cat stares at you vigilantly. Well, I can't keep it with me. There was a cat in there. There was a cat in there. I have a bad feeling about this. What if some indescribable thing's eyes start watching you? Forget about it. Hello, hello. How goes your day today? I found a truck. Oh my gosh. Woo! Ask, buy, give change. I can't really buy anything from you. From the cornfield. Oh, I can only talk to ask. Okay. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, she has horns too. Wait. She's too scared. She has horns. Oh my gosh, golly gee. Can I go in this? Ice Cream Kingdom? This cone the convenience store sells is a little too sweet. What? No such thing? All I had to do was sulk when we were little, and Wise used to buy me one. Aww. It goes. That sounds good. That's a really small little store. Where's the cash? How do I buy things? There's so much to play, but don't feel like playing anything. Aww. Oh my gosh, it's Anby! Nicole asked me to buy some supplies for the next commission. What did you say? I won't bother you. What did you buy? A gallon of bomb cola, an AUP chips fun pack, and some old Captain Jerky, a supersized bottle of nitro fuel, and some rocket popping candy. That's a lot of stuff. Maybe I should check. Did you get the right shopping list? But the shopping list is the one Nicole gave me. Celebrative snacks for a successful commission are Cunning Hair's traditions. Cute! Nicole says following me is the best strategy. You guys just start planning the after party. I trust her. Wow! That's not, oh my gosh, ice cream! Today's special. Dumpling. Or steam buns. Yum. 141. Okay. I gotta go talk to those thingies. What? So much to look at. Another trash can! Every now and then you hear strange rattling noises coming from inside that odd trash can. It's not that odd. Curiosity starts to gnaw at you, tempting you to open it and uncover its secrets. But your reason is telling you, run! Run away from it! What if it's another stray cat that I could keep with me? I could have a horde of cats! They don't want me to have a horde of cats. Can I go this way? No, I didn't think so. Okay. Oh my gosh, another fire hydrant I found too. Okay, wait. You. Hello. Sorry, 141 is temporarily closed for renovation. He's got a book on his head. That's fine. Intriguing. Bro! Listening to your reason is advisable sometimes. Is it? But last time it was a cat. That's all he says. There's a little gift bag thingy here. That's cute. Okay. I guess we can go talk to the dog now. A cat I could not keep, indeed. They should have just let me keep the cat. Wait, there are people here. Can I talk to them? Ah, his new guitar album hit my soul with a twang. Do you have a speaker inside your skull? She's funny. I like her. Inspecting. Random play. I can't go in here, can I? Oh my gosh, I can! Ah! Oh! Oh, this is where I started. I am from there. Yes, Twinkle. Okay. And get a scratch card. I'm here for a scratch card. I forgot. Hi! Wow. Its nails are painted. You can scratch one card each day. Shucks, I should have scratched this thing yesterday! I wonder if I'll get the grand prize today. Select scratch. Selecting. Woof, woof, woof. I acquired monies. Was that good? New. What is new? Ooh, that's fun. Interesting. I don't want to read it though. Oh, I'm on a hot streak today. Guess I got to show off to Wise later, but let's get down to business first. Oh, I did good then! Yay! First, I'll head to the noodle shop to see General Chop about the commission. Then off to the gadget store to find Susie. Okay. Oops. What's that? Hello! Good job acquiring second place. How do I... Ah! I'm gonna shrink this a little bit. That's kind of small though. But when the little code appears, it's like not visible. Okay. How goes you today? I started playing this game yesterday, and I liked it. And there is a sponsorship available, so we has that. Oh my gosh! There's a cute little bamboo on me. Oh, am I holding a Walkman or something? Wow! Oh, pretty, cute. I didn't look up before. That fish is making me hungry. It's time to talk to the chef. What do you have to lunch? How annoying. What's the matter? Ah, it's you. Sorry, but I can't take your order right now, and all because of Pegasus Logistics. What did they do? The ingredients I ordered haven't arrived yet. I just ran a track and trace on the order. Apparently, they somehow sent everything into a hollow. That's unfortunate. Is it because of a hollow disaster? Oh, shucks. It must be. The ingredients are no big deal, and I've already bought replacement elsewhere. It's just... I hope nothing happens to that poor courier. Oh, I don't even know his name, but he's my regular guy, and I feel responsible for him. That's cute. I've already posted a request on the internet to find the truck. A proxy named Beeswax accepted the job earlier. The account is new, though, so I'm not sure if it's reliable or not. That's me! Point to yourself. Actually, I'm the one who accepted the job. Can you get nachos delivered? Huh? Well, actually, it's kind of late, isn't it? I guess maybe it's probably closed, isn't it? Shucks! You're the one who accepted the job. Beeswax is you? Oh, I see. You create a new account to make certain things easier. Yes, certain things. I got so flustered earlier, I should have just come directly to your store for help. I shouldn't have wasted time on internet. Since you've accepted the commission, I can relax a little. Now, I'll leave the whereabouts of the truck to you. That's reasonable, but the delivery fees are kind of expensive. It's bananas. However, until I'm sure the driver is safe, the noodle shop won't be opening. I can't cook while I'm worried like this. Aww. Looks like we'll have to head into the hollow. For safety's sake, it might be better to bring along some agents we know. Maybe we can ask Anby and the others for help, although they might still be recovering since they only just came back from the hollow. We have a new, what's the word she just said? Ally? I don't remember.
Ready for combat.
Let's go and raise the levels of our agents. Oh boy. Next, we're going to level up the agent. Okay. How much? Use investigator logs to quickly increase an agent's XP. Complete all the preparations before entering a battle. Auto add. Aha! Yeah! My other avatar did that too, but this is 2D version. So I lag slightly less. Hopefully. That's the hope. And I'm more colorful. And I have multiple outfits. What am I looking for? Level up. Materials refunded. Ooh, I like that they refund things. That's nice. What is that? Do I level up everyone else now too? Can I? I've never used her before though, have I? New character! Is this a bad idea? Surely it'll be fine. It'll be fine, right? It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. We'll just deal with it later. If it turns out that I messed up.
I have 2 guns, so double the accuracy.
Sure, double the accuracy. Confirm. New things! The katana girl. I have no idea. Do you mean, I mean from the tutorial I already have the characters from the tutorial. Oh, I shouldn't have clicked that. I shouldn't have clicked that. Then I won't bother you. Oh, just immediately exit. I have the characters from this tutorial already. To the metro! No, not to the metro. Ooh. Who are you? Susie from the gadget store needs help. I'll go and see what she needs. Oh! Wait, I thought I was doing something else. Well, the beginning seemed like a tutorial kind of thing. What is this? What is edit info? Why? Edit title. Qualified proxy. Great per? How do I get that? That seems fun. Sure, we will be qualified. I won't put my birthday for now. Stop blinking at me! What's my signature? Oh. What does my name card look like? Locked. Cute things! Adorable. Oh, maybe I don't have whoever you're talking about then. Cute. Achievements. I achieved something. What's this? Notices. Uh-oh. Oh, thank goodness. Go away. Stab and slice. Violent! Ew, it's laggy. Tell all these things to go away. Oh, Fruit Ninja. I used to love that game. Scroll. Not that cute. Okay, go away. Oh, there's still more. Okay, never mind. Wait a second. How many different quests do I have? Do I have more than one quest? Oh, I got lost. More. Proxy tools. It's loading. Oh, so cute. Look at him run. Well, he didn't run very long. Are you alive? Ah! Using this tool, proxies can switch between upgrade plans to view the most suitable agent upgrade suggestions. An upgrade plan has been automatically selected for you, but you can use switch plan later to choose another. Okay. Select an upgrade plan. Got it. You want me to click it? Recommended lineup too. I don't have these. Oh, but she's so cute. I can't do either of these. How unfortunate. It's like I've just joined it or something. Why is that so laggy? Why is it so laggy here? Up. And B's S. Okay, let's get that. These guides are pain. I don't know why they're pain. Wait, what are my quests? How do I open my quests? I've just blindly followed my quests before.
Standing by.
Escape. I clicked B. Is this my backpack? I assume so. Look, so cute! Okay. Maybe I should just go talk to Susie. Hello? You look so cute!
Hello and welcome. Ah, Belle,
Huh?
you're here. Perfect timing. My boss says I'll need your help with something.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. This isn't the first time I'm helping your boss. He wanted the message to be delivered verbatim, so here it is.
I found a new way to source awesome new gadgets. I'm sure you'll like them. If you're willing to help, they should be available in the store soon.
Oh! You sound just like your boss. What do I have to do?
What do I have to do? Wait, I'm not finished yet.
Oopsies.
This new path is blocked and I've lost communication with the assistant I sent there. Could you help me sort it all out? I'll send more details soon.
Okay.
That's it. Everything my boss said.
No! As expected, it's about W engines.
I see. There's something wrong with the gadget store's underground W engine business. A batch of goods must have fallen into a hollow, and they need me to clean this mess up.
I haven't played Splatoon before, but I've just like seen what it looks like.
I'm not sure
Interesting.
exactly what happened, but it sounds like there was a problem with the gadgets they call W engines. Aren't they the ones you and your friends are collecting? Since it's such an urgent request, Boss said that apart from the regular payment, I can also give you a sample as a thank you gift. Hope you like it.
Person vibes. The city. Except everyone's short. Wait a second, isn't it?
Wait, this texture. This batch of goods must be...
Must be what?
The latest W engine equipped with the 4th generation synchronous conduction device. It can release ultrasonic waves that effectively resonate with the active wavelengths of various ether weapons.
Oh yes, I totally know what you're talking about.
According to official data, the average initial weapon performance can be improved by up to 44.21%, and the combat survival rate of personnel equipped with such gear can be increased by at least 30%.
30 whole percent. Abby, what are you doing here?
Anby? What are you doing here?
Why'd I even
Susie
read
may
it?
be working here, but she has no idea W engines are weapons. Don't say stuff like that in front of her.
Oh.
Huh? Ultrasonic waves? Weapon performance?
We're talking about a game. It's the latest slang. We're just gonna lie to her. Let's go with game.
It's just a game. You probably didn't know that, Susie. But you can use W engines to play board games.
Oh, that's not
Each
what I thought
W
we were doing.
engine has different stats assigned.
Board games. Board games are fun too, I guess.
Oh, is it similar to playing pool? W engines are round after all. Guys, hang on a sec. The boss just texted me, and he has a message he wants me to share with you.
Looks like I found a connoisseur. Good gadgets truly shine in the hands of someone like you. If you purchase one when the shipment arrives, I'll give you an exclusive customization.
Exclusive customization.
Whoa, who would have thought the boss would get involved himself? Thanks, but there's no need.
What?
I do
What?
want to buy a new W engine, but even with the account balances of the 3 of us cutting hairs combined, we wouldn't be able to afford the latest model. In that case, I'll do you a favor. The boss is about to give me one as a thank you gift.
Wow.
It won't be of much use to me, so I'll pass it on to you.
Wow.
Really? This will make dealing with that superior player a lot easier. Oh, it sounds like you're planning to meet other W engine players? Don't worry, with the boss's skillful customization, you'll be sure to leave a lasting impression. Just hold on a sec.
I like how they add the little squiggly line. Wow. Susie walks into the store and after a while... She's
Sorry
back.
to keep you waiting. The gifted sample has been modified.
Modified. Ooh. Ooh. It's gonna launch us. Ooh. The gadget store owner gives you the latest W engine as a reward for commission. It was customized based on Anby's weapon characteristics to enhance the power of its electrical output. Ooh, button.
Yeah, I like this design.
Oh! I'm glad it suits you. Let's go.
The design and color are perfect for you. It will surely work wonders in your hands.
Had a weird no deodorant anime convention vibe from its community. That's very specific.
Thank you. And the boss, too. I'll treasure it.
Treasure it. Wow. Wait, now that I have a new W engine, I'll try it out. I thought we gave it away. Let's navigate to the agent's tree.
Standing by.
Equipment. Oh, I was wondering what this thing was. This device is not yet equipped with a W engine. Okay. Select equip, clicking. Equip button. Ooh, it wibbly wobbled. Gosh. Equip the thingy to activate a special appearance in battle. By the way, you can also enhance your W engine. Enhance! Oh, button. Enhance button. Next, select the... Okay. Use enhancement material W engine battery. Let's check what an enhance does, proxy. Okay. What is happening here? Are we gonna see a before and after? I have no clue what that did. After equipping an exclusive W engine, the agent can activate the W engine switch. Once the W engine switch is turned on, the agent can freely utilize a unique appearance in combat. Once the W engine switch is activated, it can be toggled on and off at will. Okay. Terrorizing people. What? They were known for at one point big memes. Oh. Interesting. Can I level up? Do I not want to? Oh, I didn't mean to click it twice. Do I not want to level up? Ooh, thingies are shooting out of it. Maybe I shouldn't level it up yet. Maybe I'll just leave it like that for now. How do I get out of here?
Ready for combat.
Ooh, from the look on your face, you seem to like the owner's gift. That's good. When it came to investing in W engines, Nicole only put in enough for peace of mind. She'll be overjoyed when she finds out. Tell her to spend money in the right place. Tell her she owes me again. Basement people. Terrible. Sure, I'll let her know. Rox, manager, besides purchasing W engines, I have to make preparations for other missions. See you. Bye. And be leaves. Abandoned. We don't have anything else at the manager, Belle. I'll leave the store's goods in your capable hands. Let your boss know it'll be okay. I can take care of everything as soon as I can. I'll take... Oh my gosh, reading is hard. Now that we've received the gift, let's head to the Hollow and retrieve the missing W engines. They're worth a lot. Since Susie has no idea about her boss's side gig, let's be careful not to spill the beans when discussing the commission with her. Okay. This is the same thing that I was already doing, right? Well, sort of. What does it look like in there? It looks funky in there. Look, I poop! The touch of the commission was wise. Wise is so far! I love these fish. They're so cute. Only 5 games. Better than 6 games, right? To the video store. Knock, knock, knock. Wait, what was that? Talk to people on the street? I tried. They walked right through me. There's... Oh, it's on the other side. Because he's on the other side. Look at his little face, so cute. Thank you, little creature. I wish I could pet your head. Hopefully they don't blow up your house. What? Workbench? What's over here? New things! Oh, yes. I already saw that. I acquired a thing. Intelligence. Ah. Oh, in game. Oh, I suppose that's reasonable. Hi, Wise. You've accepted the commission. Are you going to enter the Hollow now? As proxies, we can roam freely within the Hollow, which isn't easy, for most people at least. But still, we need agents with combat experience, like the Cunning Hares, to handle Ethereals and other dangers. As usual, you should get in touch with trusted agents to accompany you. Oh, it was 8. Signal search has been unlocked. It was agents. That was the word I was looking for. Try using left alt to summon the cursor. Yeah, I kind of did that by myself. Alt. Do you want me to hold left alt and then click F4? That seems like a dangerous combo. You can quickly obtain agents or W engines via signal searches. Ooh, the stable The stable channel has specialized events for new citizens. Ooh. I am new. Let's take a look at other events. Kawanka Kanahapower. After a certain number of signal searches, you can select an agent to obtain. Oh, that's fun. I want her. She looks so cute. Bongo Cat has something. I don't know what that is. Okay. Oops, that. This one. Ah! Right. You can get a W engine. Character. Wow. Other character. Oh, and B. And other smaller characters. Oh, same. Intriguing. I have 0. What's this button do? Signal shop. Things. Money. Characters. Oh, cute. Hey, that's a cute little lollipop. Intriguing. 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 Tell all the exclamation marks to go away, please. Thank you. Cool. Now what do we do? Or is this, do we get to become the cute now? Do we get to become the cute? Complete General Chop and Susie's commissions. Okay. Authentication verified. User login. Payson. I noticed that you've taken on 2 different types of commissions, Master. Exploration commission. Venture into the uncharted depths of the hollow. It's essential to navigate your path on the monitor array through the HDD. Combat commission. With your path laid out, all you need to do is fight and eliminate the threats in the hollow. Outstanding commissions 2. Do we want to fight or do we want to explore? Maybe we should fight first. I want to explore though. I should explore first. The ultimate collectibles. What? No agents needed. How do I enter it? Next. Go now. Fairy indicates that there are no ethereals in the area. You can start the exploration directly. Shut up! Do I become the cute little thing? Or am I going to be a human? Jordan, look at the missing W engine's crate. Intriguing. Oh my gosh!
Mission objective: find the missing W engine crate.
Okay. Okay. Seeing.
You have reached the location.
Yeah. I
lost.
meant the bang boo. That thing. Little creature.
No targets matching the description have been identified.
Let's check the area.
What in the world is this? Oh, used WSAD. That's not WASD. A different order. Or click on the monitors to move around. Hold left click to drag and adjust the camera. Scroll to zoom in and out. Upon selecting a distant location, the HDD system will automatically find an accessible path and guide EOS to move there.
A new route has been marked. Let's go.
We don't want to go. Would that kill me? Is that death? Have I turned evil? I am not of the understanding what that happened. This is so cute though, what? I teleported. Wouter. The little character in the screen. I've seen a few people playing that lately. We're exploring through TVs at the moment. Hold left shift to left shift. What? Must be target.
We can get out of here as soon as we find it.
Okay. Interesting. You can accelerate the display of text, voice, and animations on the monitor in the HDD system by using the accelerated playback mode. Press left click or left shift to enter the accelerated playback mode. You can also press the upper left speed up switch or press T to turn on and off the speed up mode. Okay. Well, I am of the exploring. Is that a finish line? It looks... something happened. What's the big button do? Wait. Huh? What's this do?
Wait. We don't have the W engine we're looking for yet.
I'm sorry, Wise. Collect 2 sets of... I collected 2 sets of things. What is that? A trap? but there's no dark mode at the moment, just gray. Oh, another path has appeared. I found a thing. What's that? Is this the W engine?
The cargo crate matches the search target's appearance. Mission complete.
Wow! That means the W engine. Crate with W engine. The crate with the W engine is just laying on the ground. The good news is, its content remains intact. Take it. Let's do it. Grab it. Oh, it's colorful.
Great. We got it. We can head back now.
You're about to enter the critical stage of the commission. Please note that once started, you can no longer explore freely. Continue. Wait, not yet. If I do wait, not yet, I just like...
Can't go that way, Belle.
Ah! Okay, fine. I'm not allowed to explore very far. We explore TVs. What happens now? Done? S. Perry indicates that there are no ethereals in the... Wait. Oh my gosh, I already did this. Don't do it again. It's time for combat, I guess. I mean, I guess the exploration was exploring through the little TVs. Yes, W engine. Exactly, we did it. Can I click? You can use quick config for more convenient operations. Sure. Now let's choose the first agent to deploy. Okay. Next, select another agent to join the battle.
Something? My services are
Once you're ready, you can confirm the selection. I can't wait.
Time to make some money.
I can't wait. What? I can't have 3 characters. You can view the agent's specialty and stats. By pairing agent specialties and stats, you can achieve unexpected effects. Can I? About the stun specialty. Agents with the stun specialty excel at quickly accumulating days, causing enemies to enter the stun state. When in the stun state, enemies become unable to act and take additional damage. At this moment, you can switch to an agent with the attack specialty to deal damage. There's 3 pages about the attack specialty. Agents with attack specialty have strong damage dealing capabilities and excel at dealing massive damage through direct attacks. When enemies enter the stun state, they take additional damage, allowing attack agents to perform even more efficiently. In addition to the stun and attack, there are other specialties. That's what I get for trying to read fast. Anomaly specialty agents excel at quickly accumulating anomaly buildup, triggering attribute anomaly to weaken enemies and deal damage. Support specialty agents specialize in providing buffs to allies, enhancing all squad members' combat efficiency. Defense specialty agents are proficient at withstanding attacks while counterattacking enemies, gaining an advantage for the squad in intense battles. Can I have another one?
By. Don't look at me.
I chose a 3rd character. Is it mad? Cleanup assistance. When another character in your squad shares the same attribute or faction, Corin deals 35% more damage to stunned enemies. But I guess none of them have the same. It's fine. We'll use her anyway. Wow, Teriyam. Oh. A cutscene.
Good.
Oh, they look
Connected.
different.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Owie!
Let's get down to business.
Don't hurt me. How do I... Can I dodge? Fight. What's the button I'm supposed to click? There was some other... Oh my word!
Dangerous target detected. Farbodi, this ethereal
Right.
possesses immense physical strength, it can block damage with its arms. In addition, it can perform a series of rapid
Oh, I
attacks.
messed up.
Roger. Fine.
Oh my gosh, Golly G.
What's this?
Oh, that. Oh my gosh. Come back, you're so far. Oh, wait, what am I supposed to do? I don't remember. When there's... No, don't hit me! When there's a light, am I supposed to switch characters? Or... use these?
It's no good surrendering.
I just keep switching. Get him with the giant blade. I don't know what's happening with this one. Come back! Oh! The creature! Can I become him? Is he gonna follow me? Oh my gosh, he's following me. Look at him run!
Standing by. Okay.
I like this one, she's cute. Oh my, he's following me. Okay, a wall. Can I go up here? That's where I have to go. I can't go this way. Okay. There's a person over there. Are you the one I'm supposed to rescue? Seriously, I have to fill out a form for this? The poor thing. Applicant information. Supply consumption records. Involved assets. Whoa, wow, what? Holy cow, I thought it was a cereal. Ask about the driver. The Pegasus driver? Isn't your team the one in charge of the Pegasus commission? Oh! What are you doing? Are you falling asleep over there? You aren't one of us. Don't tell me. It is so cute! So has the system assigned duplicate commissions again? I really envy you. You only show up after all the work has been done. That driver left the hollow together with the first batch of evacuees. I think he was sent to the hospital for a medical checkup. The poor thing! Well, I'm out here... I'm falling asleep again. I'm out of here after filling out this form. Wanna wait for me and head back together? No? You have another mission? Ah, go ahead and do your stuff then. I still have a lot of things to fill out. Licorice, pumpkin, pork belly, wild mushrooms. What do these things mean? Sounds like food. Thumbs up. I did it. I did it. When can I be the little cute guy again? You got the commissions done real quick. Impressive, Belle. You should go tell Susie and General Chop. Okay. Tell them that I rescued the humans. Rescued the people's workbench. Oh, there are more things. Wait a second. Okay, wait. What about that? What was that sparkly thingy? Was it this? Maybe not. Special attacks? They don't know why the character automatically regenerates over time. Oh, okay. That wasn't what I was looking for, apparently. Owie. These and chain attacks. Oh, there's another page. What does the star thingy mean? Stunned. I'm stunned. That's why the enemy's days power appears. Menu button. Basic movement. Hollow exploration. Okay. Okay. Yay, stuff. Database. I acquired something new. New things. New things. I found new things. Wowie. Hollow index. The exit, they say parting is sweet sorrow, but nobody ever minded leaving a hollow. What's this button do? Oh, so I can look at it up close. What is this? A trigger switch that activates mechanisms or equipments. One triggered, it cannot be undone, just like there is no turning back on your fated path. Oh, that made a path appear for me. I see. Tracks, a tool that allows you to swiftly move to the end of the track. Sometimes it's a much needed boost. Other times it can be a pesky obstacle. Okay. Lose HP. Oh, I knew I shouldn't have went there. Okay. You know it's grievously harmful to the body, but you can't stop yourself from breathing. Okay, observation site. Hollow observation data. The very soil nutrients for cultivating a carrot. Gathered hollow observation data. It's been taken by someone. This. Yeah, okay. They even took the storage disk. How could they? A chest holding the most advanced agent upgrade materials. A container holding advanced agent. Okay. Open supply blocks. Okay. Encounter. Gold evacuation point. One can hardly imagine how many Denny's are buried in the depths of the hollows. If you're eager enough, why not try your luck? Lots more things to see in there. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? He was laying down. Okay. To 6th Street. Hello, Mr. Chop. I have rescued your human. Many a thing indeed. What is that? Super Saiyan. Okay. Oh. Let me get the timer. Or I'm gonna just be in that mode forever by accident. Go! No! Bill, you're back. Come sit down. Has the shop reopened again? The courier is safe and sound. By the way, Pegasus called shortly after you went into the hollow for the commission. They told me the driver has been brought out of the hollow by someone from the association. The association? Wait, that means I sent you there for nothing? Well, it's better to err on the side of caution. This is true. Bella, you're so reliable. Anyway, I thought I'd treat you to a meal once you came back. Now that the ingredients I purchased last minute are here, and the driver's also back, I can finally make noodles in peace. What would you like to eat? Today I'm pulling out all the stops to give you my special.
Have you had dinner yet? A full stomach ensures a good night's sleep.
Cute! Eat noodles to gain buffs, lasting for 3 battles. After 1 battle, eat noodles again to charge buffs. You can check buff effects at the noodle shop and deployment interface. Interesting. I guess this is the only thing I can get, huh? When can I unlock that level? 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 30, 30, 30. Fire damage.
The cooking time for noodles must be precise, not a millisecond off.
Not a millisecond. Very specific. Order it. The buff cannot be changed when entering the next commission. I mean, considering that's the only buff I can acquire. That was so cute.
A millisecond off.
Vegetable noodles in effect.
Gotcha, Phil. See
That
you
was...
next time.
Waterfall Soup Noodle Shop has been unlocked. I'm already hungry. That was great. Must go talk to Susie now. Can I go this way? What are you doing over here? What else? Can I talk to these two? No. Starlight Night. Are you nuts? Isn't there 2 days until release? Yeah, so we have to act quick if you want to be at the front of the queue. They're gonna be in line forever. Do you have... Oh, ribbons. I can't talk to any of these people. Oh, the poor thing. She looks so tired. There are a lot more people than before. I work so much overtime and drink so much orange. I missed it. These characters look so cute. Oh, wait. That one I can't walk through. They're so cute. They're so cute. When you find a style that's cute, just copy it. But I think Bang Boo are the cutest. Then you should dress like a Bang Boo. Obviously. Hi, Susie! Belle, you've sorted everything out. Yeah, you can let your boss know. Your restocking issue has been solved. Great, I'll go tell the boss. Wait a sec. Whoa! Susie enters the gadget store filled with excitement and walks out happily a few moments later. Boss is so grateful for your help. He asked me to pass on his thanks to you. Here it goes then. Excellent. I can't listen to it. I know I could trust you. The new toys will be on the shelves very soon. From now on, I'll do my best to help you out if you're buying cool new gadgets or trading in old ones. You're getting awfully good at impressions. I am not, though. I'm not done yet. Come to the store whenever you like. The kid will show you around. By the way, let me ask you secretly, Belle. That W engine the boss gave you, did you give it to that cute girl for fighting? Did I get busted? Stay calm and think of how to respond. We're staying calm. Oh, no. Yeah, I mean for battling other players, right? So did you win? Of course we won. A total victory. I knew it. With the boss's modifications, it should easily be the best toy. Our store's toys never lose. I don't know what she hummed exactly, but... We're putting new items on the shelves this time. Belle, are you interested? Want to come in and check them out? Yes! You can get first pick. It's okay to look around even if you don't plan on buying anything. I'll be waiting for you at the store. Be sure to drop by. We can go in now! You can use the relevant materials in the gadget store to buy W engines. Equip them to your agents to enhance their combat performance. You can recycle W engines to obtain related materials. Take a look at the gadget store. Don't need to tell me twice.
We just got a new batch of products in. Feel free to browse.
I thought I could walk around, but I can't. I guess this is good too. So many things. Wow, cute. Oh my gosh, cute. One was food, steam oven. They have different names. It's music. Bravo, hatchet, arrow.
Trouble deciding what to buy? I can always give you some tips.
You can? How do you give me tips? Revolver, Mark III. Decrescent. Pleniluna. Noveluna. Mark 1. Why are they in a Mark 2. Why are they in a weird order like that? Why are they Mark 1, 2, 3 together? Alpha. Charlie.
Hey there. Having trouble deciding what to buy?
Inflection.
I can always
Base.
give you some tips.
Secret Superstore. Slice of Time. Rainforest Gourmet. Interesting. Starlight Engine. Steam Oven. I like that one. That's funny. Precious Fossilized Core. Interesting. Original Transmorpher. Weeping Gemini. Oh. Bunny Band. Cowboy thing. That's so cute. Recycle. Nope.
Hey there. Having trouble deciding what to buy? I can always give you some tips.
There are more. Oh my gosh, there's an electro lip gloss. How many are there? That many. What happens if I click this? Okay. Okay. Hi.
Before
Oh,
you
she's so
leave,
cute.
why not try your luck again? It could lead to some fantastic surprises.
Bro. Got it. That was fast. Looks like you've already met the neighbors. You always take so long to read my text. I was going to head out and look for you. Did something urgent happen? Want me to bring something back? Are you hungry? Nope, I just got a DM from Nicole and they'll be coming over real soon. Come back once you're done. By the way, there's some stuff that needs to be done on the new account. Remember to check it out when you're free. What new stuff needs to be done? Compendium. What's the compendium? You can see the missions that need to be completed for a trial here. Complete trial missions to get the corresponding reward. Aside from trial missions, it's also important to hone your skills. Tactics. You can see the different practices you can complete here. Once you complete a practice, you'll be able to gain certain rewards. I see. Let's take a closer look, okay? Ooh, to learn how to dodge. Should I learn how to dodge? I didn't read any of the instructions. I figured they ought to tell me while I'm in there, right? Hopefully. Use WSD to move. Press right click to dodge. Objective achieved. I'm not gonna... Oh, there's a human. Press to launch basic attack. How do I dodge him? Is he gonna attack me? I guess maybe not. Objective achieved. I hit him. Victory. I dodged nothing though. Investigation complete. I did a tutorial. A dodge tutorial. Dodge is right click. And I successfully right clicked. Thank you. Basic, how do I know which ones I've done? Oh, basic control. Should I do the others? Lots of things. Oh. I don't want to click them yet. Let's go talk to Wise. Ah, Super Saiyan mode is over. Bam. Back to normal 2D Frazzle. Wise, why are you so far? It can come back another time. Don't cry too much. Does Lucky Boo say something different now? Thank you for the head pat. It's Friday evening. It's not Friday evening anymore. It's Saturday. Silly little Lucky Boo. I love how he opens the door. I could open the door, could I not? But he opened it for me. So cute. Belle, you're here. Nicole says she has a lead on the strongbox and is on her way here. This commission doesn't feel like an easy one. I've gathered some info and uploaded it to the tablet on the workbench. If you need it, feel free to check it out anytime. Anyway, if you're ready, head to the parking lot and wait for Nicole. But this thing is blinking at me. Neighborhood info. Oh, yay. Can I view that from anywhere or no? No, I can't. Compendium. Oh, the thing that I just... Claim! Wait a second. I did things! Upgrade an agent to level 10. Cool. Errands, training, combat, tactics. All I can click on is primer and tactics. Okay. Wow! And I got achievements. Claim all. Exploration. Find the W engine in the ultimate collectibles. Internaut. What does the time mean? Internaut level. I've leveled up! What else is down here? Your agents are compared to... Oh. I can't even look at the ones ahead. No signal. Do I stop trying to get spoilers? 24-hour store. What is that? Oh, recommended. It is recommended that you buy things. Oh, these are outfits. Oh. Cute. Cute. I'm internaut level 7. Put me with Nicole in the parking lot. Nicole! Nicole looks so confident. Could she actually be reliable this time? Special what?
Here you are. We figured out where the strongbox is. What about the task I gave you?
You mean the flash drive? The data has been recovered.
Kinda rude,
Just like
yeah.
you guessed. It contains the password to the strongbox.
I think it means that she seems reliable this time, but then that means that she wasn't reliable last time because she didn't seem confident.
Okay, everyone. Thanks to the proxy's help, preparations are complete. It's time for the next step.
Next step.
Andy, explain the plan.
Oh boy.
Okay, everyone, please look at this map of New Eridu. Our plan is enter the Cretan Hollow and defeat the superior ethereal Dullahan, then recover the strongbox.
I forgot about that. That's it?
That's it?
I forgot she reads it afterwards.
Yes. What's wrong?
Yeah.
So, what's with the map?
Nicole says we have to show some professionalism. We can't let our partners look down on us. Otherwise, it'll be hard to bargain with them. Saying too much again? Billy, why weren't you paying attention?
It's not my fault! How was I supposed to know this was Ampy's idea of a professional meeting? Oh! That's why she watched all those crime investigation movies before the meeting!
They're funny. We can still hear you guys.
We can hear you guys.
I gotta stop reading her lines out loud. I keep hitting you, I'm sorry.
As Ampy said, the goal is simple. Find and retrieve the strongbox.
They are funny.
Since there's no way to monitor the real-time situation from the outside, we'll need your support and guidance inside the hollow.
Do I get to become a cute little adorable thing? Private, I want to find the strongbox, okay. Ready, let's get moving. Complete the commission using the HDD. To the HDD! This means I do, right? No? Maybe. Commission completion verified. Info archive. Did I ever do the combat thing? Commission record of the new target. Recover the combat. I don't think I did I? No, wait, I did. Oh, I did. Oh, I did. Right. Next. Sure. Or maybe I don't get to be an adorable little creature. Because we already observed that area. Sick.
Alright, we made it into the hollow. Now let's find my strongbox.
Speaking of which, boss, who told you about the location of the strongbox?
That's a trade secret.
Adorable
You thought I'd just
little
spill the
creature.
beans like that?
Yes, spill the beans. Wowter.
But since we're on the same side, I guess I can let you in on a little secret. I'm all ears.
I'm surprised you didn't take the chance to tease her. Is it because you know she gets pretty sensitive at times like this?
What? What are you suggesting?
The poor thing.
Actually, it was really easy. I have a few contacts at the association who just so happen to have the records of routine observation missions and ether resources for this hollow.
Really?
I gave them an offer they couldn't refuse and asked them to help compare data from the last 2 mutations. Locating the strongbox was as simple as circling up the difference.
Jeez, Nicole, you're good!
I gave them an offer they couldn't refuse and asked them to help compare data from the last 2 mutations. Locating the strongbox was as simple as circling up the difference.
Why'd you sound weird like that?
Jeez, Nicole, you're good!
Huh? Why'd you say that again? Hang on, didn't you just say that? Yeah, what?
Huh? Why'd you say that again? Proxy, are you daydreaming?
Concerned?
To go? I may know the approximate location of the strongbox inside the hollow, but it's up to you to get us there.
Concerned! Concerned.
Don't worry, Proxy. I promise your wallet's gonna be smiling once we wrap this up.
Caution new enemy. Ah!
Nicole, I trust you. Huh? Are you in a good mood today? Not.
Oh my gosh. So funny.
Billy, zip it. Proxy, why are you lying down while we're fighting the ethereal? Come on, give us a hand. I bet the Proxy would charge us extra for that. Never mind, we'll handle it ourselves.
Can you picture her? She's really intense, that's for sure. Oh, is sleeping. Is also immortal.
Proxy, are you coming?
We can talk to it.
The air around here seems to have become thicker. That means we're almost there.
He ran around me.
Hmm? What's that sound? Ah, right. Right. You didn't hear a word I just said, did you?
I did use the perfect chance for a good morning. I was too busy being confused. Can I become the other one? I like her. Locked! I like this sprint. Oh, I can't jump. Oh my gosh. Stop. Bad guy.
Get away from me!
Oh my gosh, how do you do? Oh! They kind of just switch characters for you.
Once we're done with these ethereals, I've got to have a word with her.
She said sorry. Long him. Morning. Wake the sink up.
Phaethon, what's going on with you today? You seem really distracted. Is this how you treat your regular customers? Is this how you treat your regular customers?
Wait, Nicole, let me explain.
Wait,
Oops.
Nicole, let me
I-
explain. Your voices have been cutting out and the HDD's acting up. Don't drift off while guiding us. I paid Top Denny to hire the best proxy around, Phaethon. Watch out or you might just get a negative rating on Internet.
No.
Watch out or you might just get a negative rating on Internet.
There really might be a problem. Why is HDD connection is unstable?
Wise, can you hear me? The HDD connection is unstable.
I need to learn to just read it in my head.
I hear you. Let me see. Strange. The HDD's backend is reporting an error. Wait a sec. I'll sync and try a debug.
Huh? Were you talking to the other manager? Should we keep going?
Phaethon, say something.
Can I hear her?
Hello? Phaethon!
Uh-oh.
Huh? Belle, why did you disconnect?
I didn't disconnect. I got kicked off. The connection between the HDD and the holo was severed.
Start a debug now.
Scary indeed.
Right.
Go away, Geyser.
It's no use. I've tried everything. I can't restore the connection.
Strange. The holo shouldn't so easily affect the HDD. The real issue is Nicole and the others. Without the HDD, we have no way of contacting them inside the holo.
No carrot, no proxy. Even with a good aptitude for ether, they'll be corrupted if they stay in the holo too long.
Oh no!
There's one more thing we can try. Reset it! Haven't you heard the saying? Turning it off and back on again can fix anything.
Belle, didn't you shut it down? Why is the screen still on? So
Okay.
the connection problems.
Aren't on our side.
I thought you'd never figure it out. Satan.
Creepy.
Oh, so this is all the famous proxy Phaethon can do? As you can see, the system is mine now.
What do you want?
What do you want?
What do I want? My request is simple. I want the code to the strongbox.
You can't have it. Strongbox code?
What strongbox? What code?
Oh, playing dumb. Do you not understand what's going on? Just give me the code to the strongbox.
I don't know what the code is. Maybe it's potato.
Repeat yourself all you want, but if we don't know what it is, we can't give it to you.
Wrong answer. So you're playing dumb. Okay, I'll have to refresh your memory. This device I've taken control of seems to be important to you.
Wait, this guy is trying to.
Wait, what are you doing?
Your punishment for lying.
System notification. Database formatting in progress. Ah! Database formatting complete. Well,
This isn't good. There's no way to save the alpha database.
Get it now? A few taps on the keyboard and I can turn everything you're so proud of into meaningless ones and zeros.
I saw you already did.
I'll only delete some of it this time. But remember, your fate is in my hands now. Your clients are messing with the wrong person. They've gone after something they shouldn't. The strongbox.
Why'd you whisper it?
I know you got the password from Silver's drive. Think carefully before you reply.
What?
Damn it. This guy.
Speaking of your clients, that unlucky crew is wandering around aimlessly in the hollow right now. I happen to have recorded something interesting. Maybe this video will change your mind.
What?
I sent it to you, Phaethon. I'll leave the video access function for you, so find another way to play it. And hurry up.
Another way. But we don't have...
Yeah.
Okay. I'll transfer the video to a tape.
Intriguing. Oh my gosh, I'm him now. Play video. The timeline on this hack is terrible. What are we gonna do? What do they want from us? This could have something to do with Nicole. This could have something to do with the commission. Let's get in touch with Nicole pronto. We have to see what this guy sent. What that guy sent ASAP. Ooh. Are we gonna watch the video though? The video? The video? The video? The screen flickers into action as the video sent by the mysterious hacker begins to play. 3 familiar figures come into view.
Get out of the way!
This is not much of a video.
Whoa! More enemies behind, too!
Watch the side.
Hey! Is this really the right way?
Hey, what's going on with the manager? Walking around all like absent-mindedly and ignoring the fight?
Huh? Proxy? Angry, perhaps? Because Nicole haggled on the deposit?
Really? Is that it?
Of course not!
Strange. Ever since we entered the Hollow, it's like the proxy hasn't been leading us.
Are they in some kind of trouble on the outside? Hey, is everything all right?
Red eyes? Not usually red eyes? Or is red eyes? I'm looking at it. Looking at it.
Don't go over there! Oh, come on! Stop them! Protect the proxy!
We're protecting it now. Oh my gosh, he's green!
Proxy? Damn it! What on earth is happening?
What is happening?
Today's been a nightmare.
Oh, big scary guy. Hey, she looks like the guy in Wuthering Waves. Stop hitting me! Ow, she hit me. I feel...
I want a bonus for this! Right back at ya! Get away
What is that? Are you exploding?
Confirmed.
Leave the last one to me!
Oh, when did he get here? Shoot him! Oops. Yeah. On the TV screen, the Cunning Hare's game of Lost and Found continues. Oh no. What is that? Is it a wolfy creature?
Those ethereals are still here.
They're like our landlord on rent day. Oh, there goes the timer again. We've already stayed in the hollow 4 times the recommended amount.
If you don't get in contact soon, you can forget about me paying my bill.
Hide.
What? Are those monsters back again?
Not the ethereals. There's a hollow investigation squad up ahead.
Of course. It's the investigators. Wait. Investigators? Boss, we're saved! They're from the Investigative Association! They have a carrot! We can ask them for help and follow them out of the hollow!
Don't be stupid. Don't you see those public security guys with them? We're Hollow Raiders. Even if they help us, they'll arrest us right afterwards.
Being arrested would be bad.
That might be true if it were just us. But with that, don't you remember public security's policy? If you report a proxy, they may expunge your record.
As things stand, Billy's proposal is quite feasible.
They're gonna throw me under the bus.
Trade the proxy's identity for our safety, or continue pacing around waiting for the Bangbu to return to normal.
Okay, boss. It's your call to make. Whatever you decide, we'll follow your orders. Boss?
Enough chatter. We can't stay here any longer. Let's go!
They're following the Bangbu instead. But the Bangbu is hacked. Oh no! The random play video store in the newer videos Janice Quarter on 6th Street. What?
I have to say, I'm touched.
Popcorn, yum.
Proxies and Hollow Raiders are wolves, stealing profit from the Hollows behind the Investigative Association's back, all constantly ruining each other in the name of greed. But to protect your secret identity, they actually gave up the chance to escape. Unfortunately, the ones being rescued don't seem to plan on returning the favor.
Enough, I get it. Fine, I'll tell you the code. What?
Enough, hacker! I get it now. I'll give you the code.
What?
Wait, what are you...
But unfortunately, the code was deleted. I need system access to give you the code.
I can still give you the code, but I need access to the system to do so.
Still trying to bargain with me? You still haven't learned your lesson.
Don't panic. The password was recovered using the proxy network's computing power, and there's a backup on the network. We can get the password if you give us back system control.
No way. Proxies, Hollow Raiders, none of you can be trusted, including Phaethon. I know you've been secretly trying to take back control. Huh? Wait, there's a backup on internet? Hand over your internet account. I'll retrieve the Strongbox password myself.
Did he reveal that by accident?
Answer me. I almost forgot. A proxy's internet account is the foundation of their business. Losing the account is losing any proof Phaethon ever existed. But to save those in the hollow, you'll have to think quickly. They'll become monsters if they stay there too long.
If we give you the proxy network account, then what? You ruined our system. So who'll save them?
I promise I'll save them. How's that? You have no choice but to trust me.
Evil.
Okay, I'll give you our proxy account, and if you go back on your word, I'll make you pay.
Are you sure? Confidential data transfer complete. Is it fake?
Even the source authentication code page was transferred. Good. Looks like you've given up completely.
We'd like to ask a question.
We'd like to ask a question.
Since you're cooperating, I'm in a good mood. Ask me.
What's in the strong box that's so important?
It's something someone like you will never get your hands on. But I guess, as you know,
Oops.
the hollows are changing all the time. The carrots used to get out function by calculating a huge amount of hollow data. However, hollow observation equipment accumulates errors. To ensure data remains valid, it must be recalibrated using the hollow master data every few days. The single copy of Rosetta data that's in the hands of the city's rulers. Inside the strong box is something comparable to that Rosetta data. With it, you can enter and exit the hollows freely.
If it really is like another version of the Rosetta data, it must be pretty important to those officials.
If not dealt with, it could shake the very foundations of New Eridu. But it has nothing to do with you.
Are you sure?
Okay, enough talk. Tell me where the code is.
Have you activated your proxy certification yet?
Yes.
Yes.
With that said, we have one final question. For real this time.
Whoa now, don't misunderstand. We aren't friends, so don't push your luck.
My question is, since you're such a master hacker, why not just steal the password from our system?
Yeah.
After learning the password is backed up on the proxy network, why not just hack the network and steal it?
What? I'm warning you. Don't make me forget my promise.
Now that I think about it, other than taking control of my system, you haven't implemented anything else a hacker would. Instead, you just blackmailed us with Nicole and the other safety like some kind of kidnapper.
Keep mocking the hacker. Try to intimidate the hacker. It's so mean.
A word of warning. You've already made a big mistake. The life and death kind.
Life and death.
Just tell me where the backup is.
Don't worry, mystery hacker. We're helping you. Listen carefully. Can you hear sirens nearby?
What did you do?
We're just fulfilling our duty as model citizens of New Eridu. As the election approaches, the city administration is calling for citizens to actively report dangerous individuals, such as Hollow Raiders and proxies. They even opened a hotline.
Answer my question. What did you do?
Top secret. Oopsies, Elmer. I'm sorry I didn't mean to budge you.
To be precise, I just called public security and gave them information about a certain internet account.
Oh, I get it. So that's it. It was
It's
planned.
mad. He's mad.
Abandon your insidious faith and to trick me.
No, you're wrong. We aren't giving up our identity. Just our account.
No. It was not the third punch of
This
the
is
night.
over.
I'm sorry.
You'll pay.
We'll pay, he says.
We did it!
We've regained full control of the HDD now.
Well done, bro.
You too.
You know, that was some pretty good acting there.
You're one to talk. You offered to give them the password out of nowhere. Weren't you afraid I wouldn't understand?
What can I say? We are Faithin after all.
Faithin.
Great.
I've been saying it
Connection
wrong.
restored. Let's get Nicole and the others out of there.
Reconnect the HDD system and save the cunning hairs. With him? Okay. I can't. How do I do that? Oh, I can click it. You quickly reconnect fire and save Nicole and the others. Okay, saving. Let's set off immediately. In progress. Confirm. We're going in. Oh my gosh. The weird thing again. How come do I not get to be 3D version of Bang Boo anymore? Control the Bang Boo signal to relink the data and establish a connection to the hollow. Wowder, thank you for the hydrate. Activate the data units along the path and light them all up to reach the endpoint. Passing over an already activated unit will deactivate it. Use the reset option to return to the original state. Oh wait, hey, that sounds fun.
Let's start the data relink.
I lit up all the things!
Nice. Just one batch of data left. Establishing external connection.
Congrats!
Oh, I've mutated into a monster. Rawr, rawr.
Anby, don't bite my hand. You're gonna hurt your teeth.
Sorry. I was just trying to cheer Nicole up.
Oh.
I guess I'm not so good at this.
But you're right. We've been in the Hollow for a long time. Even with our ether aptitude, it just means we'll become monsters slower.
She is kind of cute. She has quite the personality.
This isn't like me. The cunning hairs only care about money. Not caring about others is my motto.
It means you're not really a cold-hearted person. So you're secretly a good person?
So, you're secretly a good person?
Good person, huh? Losing my life in a hollow just for a title like that? I must be stupid.
She just realized I'm back. Little late to be screaming. Could you make that scream sound a little happier?
Couldn't you even try to sound happy to see us, Nicole?
Proxy? Is it really you?
Sorry to keep you waiting. We've actually been online for a while now. Anby and Billy were both making a fuss. You were probably so busy being sentimental that you didn't notice.
Squiggly line.
So, you heard everything?
Don't be embarrassed. I'm happy to get a glimpse of your true self.
Don't be embarrassed. It happens to all of us.
I'm not embarrassed.
Are you sure?
Enough chit-chat. Proxy, what happened just now?
Top secret. You quickly briefed the cunning hairs on everything that happened while they were disconnected.
Is that
Bad
so?
stuff.
The manager cut off all comms with us because a hacker infiltrated their device.
So it wasn't because of Nicole haggling on the price.
Maybe a proxy, but I'm not that merciless. I could have gotten even more.
What? Are you saying I could have gotten even more?
Anby, don't say too much.
That's funny.
So the proxy thinks there's something up with the flash drive holding the password. Is that hacker using it to trace you?
We checked the HDD for security risks, and that was the most likely.
If that's the case, the Red Fang gang didn't snatch the strongbox for themselves. They're working a commission for someone else.
Someone else?
Just like us!
Oh.
If it weren't for the proxies intervening, we'd be the ones on the firing line.
Thanks, Starlight, we've got you, manager. Why, you're as reliable as the Starlight Knight sidekick, Meteor Mutt.
I read Meteor Butt at first, and I was like, that's a name. Meteor Mutt is also a name. Thanks, I think? Or are you calling a mutt? That's funny.
Are you calling me a mutt, Billy?
Wait a sec, manager. That's not what I meant.
Are you sure?
Well, judging by the fee, I assumed it was just a simple stolen goods job. But it's just another scumbag sticking their nose in other people's business again. I'm never trusting another agent ever again.
None of them.
I gotta ditch this like a hot potato once I get back.
Hot potatoes, yum yum.
I gotta charge double my price to that agent.
Nicole, I suggest speeding up the search. We're reaching the limits of our ether aptitude in this hall.
Nowhere.
If our combat strength drops again due to corruption, I'm afraid we won't be able to take care of any accidents we come across on the way to finding the strongbox.
Accidents? You mean like that Red Fang dude who mutated into that superior level ethereal?
Accident.
Yeah, that Dullahan is probably still looking for us in the hollow.
Ugh.
Anby's right. We have to speed things up and find the strongbox before that monster. Come on, Proxy. Lead us to our target.
Can I be cute now? No.
We're not actually too far off track.
Don't hit me!
Keep an eye on the enemies. How are you feeling? Not ideal, but it won't impact my performance.
A real pro.
Oh my god.
Hey, when I'm looking for stuff. Get lost.
Did I? Wow. What are you doing way over here? I did it. Stuff. I have acquired stuff. What if I... It said no. Okay. More stuff. Lots of stuff. Oh no. Give me...
Roger.
Stop. Spacebar is not jump. I gotta stop trying to click spacebar. Mind. More bad guys. Oh wait, she has... Oh, shit. Big one. A fish. Ah! Well, when she said fish are nearby, she really wasn't kidding. It's nearby. Appears right next to me.
Found it.
Whoa, it's our lucky day!
That's my strongbox!
Is something bad gonna appear? Yeah, I thought so. Run! So cute.
Found it.
It's our lucky day.
That's my strongbox!
Hi. Oh my gosh, look at me with the bomb.
Damn it! You just won't leave us alone. Say goodbye to nice Nicole.
Hi. Alright, I have been hurt. Oh my gosh.
Who cares? Just hand over my stuff.
Stop burning.
Nice! Sounds like Nicole's frenzy too!
Neutralize.
Straight on the stinker.
It's no good surrendering.
We never back down.
That was a lot of switching characters. Am I just hitting his shield with a potato?
Get ready.
Die!
Just leave it to me.
Ah!
Careful.
Oh, wait. Sorry for the man. Sorry, please. I have been hurt. Did I just speak secret? Oh my god!
Neat and tidy.
We never back down.
He's dead!
Finally. Found you.
The poor thing.
I hate to spoil your fun, but it's a little soon to be celebrating. Nicole, could you calm down and listen? It's that stupid hacker's fault. They deleted the extraction data I prepared.
You mean we can't get out? All that trouble to get here, but we're no closer to getting out. I didn't expect this would be
Wow,
the
Dad.
end.
Damn. So unfair. I didn't even get the chance to have dinner with Monica. But it's been a good life.
Calm down. We'll figure something out. There's no need for dramatics. I have another solution. I just need the nod from Nicole.
Go for it.
Oh my gosh. She instantly agrees.
Agreeing a little early, yeah?
Yes.
The mysterious person who hacked into my system said the strongbox contained something like the Rosetta data. Something that could be used to get in and out of the hollows. If that's true, we can use it to get out of the hollow. But you'd have to agree to letting me open it.
I already said yes.
Are you sure it's okay? What will you tell your client?
Oh, so cute.
It's life and death here. Besides, if I don't get out, who's gonna bring up the strongbox? Just open it.
That's kind of a good point, I suppose.
You already know the code, right?
Yeah, I do. But I don't know exactly what's stored inside. I'm not sure what the consequences of forcefully accessing the data might be. Wait, there's one thing I don't understand. Why risk coming back to help us when your real body was already outside the hollow? You could have just left. What are you planning?
Abby!
What a strange question. I'm your proxy. I promised to get you out, so that's what I'll do.
Cute.
And if For some reason I fail, the HDD system will automatically post a commission to get you out on Internaut. If that happens,
Don't worry. Whatever happens, we'll go to the store and save you.
You can say what you want. You're not getting a discount.
This seems concerning. What? Wait. Is there gonna be a cutscene after? Yes. Is this our past? Is that what that was? Darkness.
You're scaring me. Wake up.
Terms and conditions. Shall not authorize others to use. May not be transferred in any way.
Manager, you did it! We got out!
You agree to give full authorization when necessary to protect the common interests of you and this existence.
The Bangbu is switching. We'd better go to the store and take a look.
It's so loud. What terms?
Terms? What is she saying?
Do you agree to the above user terms?
What should I click on? If I disagree, I'm gonna click disagree. We'll see what happens.
Information is rushing through my brain. I feel sick.
Do you agree to the above user term?
Please stop. It hurts. My eyes. My entire body. I agree. Okay? Just stop tormenting me.
Oh no!
The license agreement has been signed. I am happy to be of service.
This doesn't sound good.
Together, we will make new Eridu.
What a surprise. One of the keys has already been activated.
Uh-oh.
Oh, really? Which one? Ghost? Ginny? Yokai?
No, it's Fairy.
Fairy.
Ooh, things are about to get interesting.
She was
Finally
dead.
awake. Don't worry. It's okay. You're safe now.
Are you sure? What happened to the data chip? Where's Nicole and the others? How did I get back?
Where's the data chip? Where
Oh my gosh, all the
Calm
questions.
down. You're still recovering. I'll explain everything. But first, tell me what happened after reading the data.
Explain the painful and bizarre telepathic experience.
That sounds like a bad dream. Or something you'd watch in a movie.
But it was real.
I've got your side of the story. Now it's my turn. After you accessed the data, our Bangbu went out of control. It seemed to be having some kind of overload. It was sparking and flashing like the stage lights at 404 Live. We thought the extraction plan had failed, but then the Bangbu suddenly started to move, and it took everyone to the exit. You were out cold throughout the whole process, twitching and mumbling.
Sounds frightening. You didn't secretly record me, did you?
You didn't secretly record me, did you, Ice?
That's what you're worried about? If I'd known you'd be in such high spirits, I would have recorded you. But enough with the jokes. Let me finish. I didn't know what to do. Then Nicole and the others rushed over with a mysterious doctor. An acquaintance of theirs, I guess, who pulled you out of the HDD. The Cunning Hares went out to investigate. There's some good news. She paid her bill in full.
Wow.
Although, some of it went to the medical bill and Bangbu repairs.
Uh-oh.
I haven't told you the real bad news yet.
What?
Go take a look at the computer, but be prepared.
Is everything wiped? Peek.
Don't freak out. Fairy, you there? She's finally here.
What?
Huh? Wise. This is... What?
right now.
What's going on?
System reset complete. I am a Type 3 General AI equipped with sequential integration. Development code, Fairy. Hello, Master.
That's what I meant by bad news. The HDD system rebooted after you passed out. And there she was.
Think she's talking? I've heard this voice before.
I've heard this voice before, Wise. She's the one who was talking in my head while I was unconscious.
Oh my.
I am a Type 3 General Purpose AI equipped with total sequential integration. You can call me Fairy. I am happy to be of service. According to the user agreement you signed, I am to assist you in your work and wait for the opportunity to arrive.
The opportunity. If she's anything with, like, oh my gosh. If she's anything like that. Sure.
Wait, what user agreement? What opportunity are you waiting for?
Yes, what is it, eyeball?
According to the user agreement, I am unauthorized to answer this question.
Reasonable.
You will receive an answer at the appropriate time and place.
I don't understand real girls, let alone virtual ones. I'd better leave this to you, sis.
What are you so happy about?
You watch too many soap operas, Wise. What are you so happy about?
Master, I noticed a recent deletion and transfer of data to a third party, which will hinder your career as an illegal holo investigator, commonly known as a proxy. I can assist you in recovering your losses and rebuilding your reputation as a proxy.
Wait, so you can recover the deleted data?
Negative. I am unable to recover deleted data, but I can help you rebuild your database. I have unlimited access to over 80% of all smart devices in the city. With my assistance, data does not need to be accumulated, and real-time analysis of holo extraction paths is possible.
That's impossible.
Negative. That is precisely my core function. To prove this, I can assist you in holo investigation. I've sorted through the anonymous forums on the proxy network for holo investigation services and private information gathering, commonly known as Internaut. To find a commission that is appropriate for your current state, please choose an appropriate time to carry out the operation according to your...
Oh no, poor Bang Boo. I had a look though, and the so-called fairy AI did actually filter out some of the commissions on Internet. The difficulty is just right for our new account's level, and the pay is decent. Are her abilities the real deal? Can we team up with her? No, we can't jump to conclusions just yet. I'm still not sure if there's any hidden risk with the commissions she chose. I need a little time to check over everything carefully. There's no need to rush. You only just woke up and need to rest. It's been quite the roller coaster lately. Faison's account. Yeah, everything we built has gone down the drain because of that mysterious hacker. This new account we're using, Beesparks, will become a new start for our proxy career. But no matter what the name, the essence of Faison is still Faison, despite the extra uninvited guests sitting in our HDD system. I'll check the commission background and the influence Fairy has on the HDD system. Belle, you should head to bed early to make sure you get a good night's sleep. We can chat about the details tomorrow. On that note, it is time for sleep for me. Also, it's a little past time, actually, to be quite honest. It's a tad bit late. Yeah. No. Let me close game. Oh my gosh, how do I close the game? I mean, forgetting how. So smart. Oh my gosh. Log out. There you go. I found it. Right? Yes. Well, see, time, it passes. And then it's late. It's like magic. Anyway, let's see what Blanco Cat has for us. What did you find? A duplicate. Oh well. Anyway, thank you all for being here though. I hope you had fun and we can check out more Zenless Zone Zero soon. Stop. Stop! What? Little sneaky little potato, you sneaky little potato. Quick hula hoop. Hoopla hoo. And it's not totally not strange. Totally not strange at all. Okay. 1 minute on the clock. Oh, Frazzle might get a little messed up now. Such is life. Don't forget too much, Frazzle. Bang! Hee hee, eh? You did this last time. I remember. Frazzle kind of just looks like she's twitching, but I can make her. Oh, I made her fall. Oh, well, oh, oopsies. Oopsies. Whoops. Freaked her out a little bit. Are you sure you're not evil? You know, I kind of do for real, though. I'm gonna run to the toilet so fast after. So fast. So fast. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's screaming. I did the hoopla hoop. I really do gotta pee. This is accurate. Okay. Let's go back to small mode. Small mode. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you soon.